My video is about removing Tipsys.xyz pop-up windows that currently attack many popular browsers, but mainly they attack Google Chrome. The pop-up displays some misleading alerts saying that this is some required installation. It says add extension to continue, and in reality this extension works as a typical browser hijacker that changes a lot of important browser settings without your permission. I'll demonstrate to you what exactly happens after this extension is installed. When you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are redirected through fx.xyz, and eventually the results are delivered by Yahoo search. Therefore, you ought to be extremely careful not to trust these pop-ups by the site Tipsys.xyz, and you need to immediately fix your entire computer. Try to carefully research your available Mac applications, because sometimes the occurrence of suspicious pop-ups in your screen may be the trace of certain adware enabled in it. So go to your available applications, look for suspicious items and remove them. Also go to the menu, click on More Tools and then Extensions, and delete any suspicious extensions that might be available here. Finally, my strong advice is that you perform additional research of your Mac with the powerful antivirus, for instance with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. So after the application is downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database, then click on Start Combo Scan, which will initiate the detailed investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As I said, the program initially is in the trial mode. However, the antivirus feature will give you the detailed and full report about the threats on your Mac. You may click on Review Results and you will see the exact number of threats, and not only the list of threats, but their location too. For instance, we have this particular threat, this very first one. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats, so this will help you to remove them manually, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.